All right, good morning, everybody. Here we are back on Van's 62 Thunderbird convertible. See, the wheels are off. They are all set and ready to go for Victor next door to mount them. I have our new left side exhaust bracket mocked up. I have our muffler mocked up. We have these adapters here. I'm going to need to trim a little bit off of these reducers to bring our muffler forward. But we're looking really good. It's going to go together pretty nicely. Get this all nice and done. Van should be able to take this baby home pretty soon. I'm going to say end of this week for sure. Hopefully. If not, first thing next. Alright, so I'm going to trim the reducer, get our little coupler here together, and go from there. Alright, got our little reducer here. Just tacked on. I did trim the flange here a little bit. Just want to slide this over to be stronger. It's just tacked. We'll finish weld that in a little bit.
It looks pretty good.
It's just tacky. Ain't a big deal. So I'm going to slide this on, see what length we need here.
Right.
Trim it down. And then mock it up one more time, and we should be finished welding.
Nice.
It's gonna sound so much better when you're done.
Yeah, it's not gonna sound like a boat. Look, A to B. This is an A-B conversation.
What if I wanted a B to A?
You're into that kind of thing.
Something like that. Not today. Stop, Mr. DeMille. I'm not pretty today.
Not just today.
Does that hurt?
All right, so I'm gonna bring this back over the car, bolt it up with the bracket, see how far off we is. All right, so there we are, welded up there. This is where it's supposed to be at the correct angle. Yeah, none of these vendors know how to sell you the right stuff or make whatever. Right? So, fun. As Wick and I would say, custom bolt on. Hey Wick, so. That's where that's supposed to be. In fact, it's probably a little back just to help myself, just a skosh. That's all good up there. It's supposed to bolt to that. Looks like I get to do custom bolt-on bracketry. Look, custom bolt-on. What else is new?